The following troubleshooting steps will help keep your poly strapping machine running smoothly. If your polypropylene strapping machine is no longer tensioning, a tension adjustment may be needed. Go to the right side of the machine and check the bar on the tension setting. If it is set too loose, turn the knob on the back of the machine until the tension is towards the middle. Verify the machine is strapping properly. If the tension is not correct, check the rocker assembly for blockages by manually feeding a piece of strap through. It should move in and out freely. If there is resistance, use compressed air to blow any debris out of the rocker assembly. If there is still debris trapped inside the rocker, it will need to be removed to clear the debris. Remove the 2 Allen bolts from the inlet guide and remove the Allen bolts from the rocker bracket. Remove the set screw securing the rocker pin. Then, remove the pin and lift the rocker straight up, removing any debris inside. Once clear, attach the rocker and insert the pin with the groove facing out. Position it under the set screw. Reattach the rocker bracket and the inlet guide. Fold the strap back to properly position the upper strap guide. Your strapping should now feed freely through the rocker. You can now use your machine. Should you have questions, Uline's repair department can be reached by calling customer service. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.